Hi, we are from Skandanshi Agro Foods Private Limited, and we are actually into the two kind of sectors. Like one is from a millet kind of millet rice and everything, 7 kinds of millets along with quinoa also, and also we are getting into the 7 ready to cook products. Like, and also we are upcoming with the new products like ready to eat snacks, all the based out of millets only. And millets are of we have 7 days 7 millets kind of a quotation kind of thing. And also the ready to cook foods, we are involving all kinds of millets, like blending it and mixing it, and combination of all kinds of millets. And we also have a superfood which is multi millet khichdi, and this is we consider it as a superfood as it involves all kinds of millets in it. And it also very nutritious, and it also helps out of many benefits, health conditions and everything. And we also have a tight partnership of a store which is situated in Kondapur, Hyderabad. And we also have a BMI analysis assessment, and we see a body composition assessment there, so that you can assess your body, like you can get a assumption and assess and accurate results of body health conditions, and you can also get over the functional properties of your body. So where based on that, we are also providing a free nutritional consultation service also. So we are giving a free dietitian consultation as of now. So we will be giving a dietitian consultation. If you want us to get a free appointment also, we can do that. So you can take up to the consultation and everything. We can assess, recommend you or suggest you in your diet modifications, like replacing with rice or any other kind of staple food. And you can also replace your food conditions with the millets and sort of kind of thing. And if you want any diet consultation, you can. And also we are upcoming with the food products like puffs, quinoa puffs, and all kind of things. So yeah, thank you.